Welcome to GrowthWheel. I'm Elizabeth, Head of Training and Learning with GrowthWheel. As a former business advisor, I worked with hundreds of entrepreneurs and small and medium-sized businesses, and I'll be your guide through this video series on how to get the most out of GrowthWheel online. In this first video, I will cover a quick overview of the GrowthWheel framework, which can help you get a 360-degree perspective on your business. GrowthWheel has a hybrid platform, both online and on paper, so you can use it either way. Whatever works best for you and your style. We're so happy that your GrowthWheel Certified Business Advisor has invited you to use this platform, which will help you make decisions, take action, and grow your business. Let's take a look at all the tools you have available in the online platform. First, you need to log into GrowthWheel Online. If you ever forget your password, simply click Forgot Password, and a new one will be emailed to you. Be sure to check your junk or spam mail if you don't receive it right away. There are three main things you can do on GrowthWheel Online. You can create a business profile where you can add information about your business. You can create a financial summary where you can add key information about your numbers. And a growth plan where you can get a quick assessment of your business, define your big ambitions, track your outcomes, and keep on top of your action plan to move your business forward. All of these can be downloaded as PDFs. You can find our privacy policy here, so you know that your information is secure and we never share it with others. And if you ever get stuck, you can click on our chat to receive help from a support agent, or ask your GrowthWheel Certified Business Advisor for assistance. The next videos will begin explaining each of these tools. Until then, this is Elizabeth with GrowthWheel, and I'll see you soon.